Picture Reviews, and I'm here with Penelope and Isabel.
The usual.
And we're unboxing Tokyo Treat. This is the fall, the Fruity Fall October. Or is this the November box? It's the November box. This box is shipped from Japan. It includes 17 snacks. It's like 2.5 pounds or something like that for $35. And it does include one exclusive Japanese drink. So that's pretty cool. We've already taken pictures, but we really don't know a whole lot about everything yet. So we're going to do this as a tasting review. I hope you guys can see us. I hope my head isn't cut off because it's beautiful. So before we eat everything, because there's just tons and tons and tons of items here.
The packaging is too cute.
We're going to open their little book.
There's Kit Kat. Look at that.
So extra Kit Kats.
Japanese
subscriber
so
exclusive.
Tomato.
All right, so we're gonna. I don't know, how should we start, guys?
I think back to that way.
So you want to open these Kit Kats? These are Mont Blanc, like the pens Kit Kats. Super
my
cute
gosh.
packaging. Every box comes with exclusive Kit Kats. So it's a 12 pack. So that's pretty cool. I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also link to you guys with my affiliate link. I hope they can see your beautiful. This is the most ghetto setup.
Yeah, I had to sit on the under basket too.
I have sunk into the chair.
Here, we're all gonna try one. I don't know what the flavor is. Mont Blanc.
Wasabi?
It looks like green tea.
I would like I know there's wasabi Kit Kats
Okay,
out
can I
there.
eat it now?
Actually,
Yeah, go ahead, open it up and eat it.
Yay. I'm so uncomfortable. Oh no, Mom. Oh no.
I think it's just white chocolate.
Ooh, it's good.
Let's go.
Ooh, it's very creamy.
Bruh. What is it?
You're sick of the camera. You can't do that.
She fell.
Okay. So try our first one.
Those are good.
Mont Blanc is a dessert made up of chestnut puree piped into noodle-like strings and features a chestnut, either in the center or placed on top. Other options are a pastry base or whipped cream topping. Those were yummy. All right. Fanta Peach is our exclusive drink.
Oh, Fanta Peach is so good.
We're going to all drink of each other because we live in the same house. And...
Belle.
Oh, you want to go first?
Yeah, thank you.
She doesn't like to drink off us.
Yeah, because we're gross or
Watch
whatever.
your leg on the table. You're shaking now.
Oh, whoops. Sorry, guys. Chicken baby.
It's actually not that bad.
I love Fanta.
I'm not into
It's
soda,
yummy.
but
I'm
all
gonna
right. So
keep
we got
that
the
bottle.
Mont Blanc Kit
Cat
Kats.
Peach is so good.
Save some for your brother and sister.
I am.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, Mom.
Hey.
Oh, they have the
baby.
koalas. These are butter and white chocolate. I
Oh, you used
posted
to
about a
get me
lot of
these.
these on my blog.
Mom,
You
that
used
would
to
be
get
cute to
me
put
these.
flowers in.
This.
Yeah, I like putting flowers and stuff if it has decoration.
I have a cute little vase over there.
All right.
with
So
flowers.
these are butter and white chocolate. If you've ever gone to like an H Mart, a Globe Mart, any of those
They
stores,
have these.
they have these, but not in these fun flavors.
Ready?
Here's a little.
ASMR.
Not my favorite. It tastes like butterscotch.
I
Not
like
mine.
More
This
butter.
here is, what's this thing? I haven't done one of these tasting reviews in a long time, you guys. This
I'm
is
honored
Texas
you let me
corn.
Oh,
Okonomiyaki
We've had
flavor.
that before. I think we've had that before. It's really good. It's crunchy.
Corn puffs.
Yeah, we've had these before. They're super good.
All right.
Not from this box, but
I'm gonna ask for one of these for Christmas. My own box of snacks.
so good. I think these are ketchup chips.
Oh, it tastes like a little bit like shrimp.
They're good.
Ketchup chips.
Moving along. Yeah, these are Caramucho Kumamoto chili tomato.
Hey, oops, I keep shaking.
Mixing fruity, sweet, and spicy tomato, spicy chili, and tasty blend of flavors that can... Whatever, they're spicy chips. Tomato, 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 tomato. I think their main ingredient here is
Tomato, tomato, tomato.
I think it smells
Does it smell spicy? Like chili?
Yeah.
I really like this one.
Ooh. That's really good. Yeah, they taste like ketchup chips.
Oh, these are good.
They are.
Oh,
They're
girl,
so
that's
yummy.
good. Oh, these are yummy. These are good. That's,
They're good.
that's dancing food. Okay.
Damn.
Did you just say that on camera? I hope they can see you. Probably not. We're gonna watch this afterwards. It's gonna be a hot mess. All right. So these guys knew what this was. I don't know. What
Demon Slayer!
It hell it was. But, all right, Crunky and Demon Slayer collab Choco. So there were 2 different variations, it looks like.
That looks good.
Is this white chocolate? Chocolate, yes.
Oh, there's one of 24. This is one of 24 different character packages.
Oh my gosh.
And one of 2 flavors. There's crunchy milk chocolate or sweet cookies and cream. So this is the chocolate, I think.
Yay. I hope you guys
Cookies
see
and
me.
cream is chocolate too.
Who the hell knows, Penny?
Wait, this is cookies and cream, I think.
Just eat the candy and shit. You guys are hating on the worst. I'm just joking.
Mom is the best.
Yeah, she's the
joke.
best.
Mom is the best.
I'm the best jokester. All right.
So funny.
She
Ooh,
raised
look at that.
me.
It looks cool.
That's cookies and cream. Ooh.
All right.
Oh, this is good.
Some for you. Some for you. This basket just keeps... If you could see behind here the way we're sitting...
Mom's on a basket.
I'm on a chair.
I'm in this chair.
Well, I'm on the arm of a chair. If I sat on the chair, you can't see me.
This is actually really good milk chocolate. Compared to some of the brands I've had before, this is really good.
Tastes like a crackle.
It doesn't give me a headache. Whoa.
Yeah, this is good white chocolate.
That's new.
All right.
That tastes good.
Oh, I want to try these.
Looks like little dinosaur eggs.
They look like nuts.
Oh, birds. There's a bird on it. It's a bird's eggs. All right. This guy, Sparrow Egg Crackers. Rounding off this fruity fall is a classic sweet and spicy soy sauce flavored peanut based snack. Fried in flour to give it an extra crunch.
Yay, crunchy stuff.
One.
They're like those little snack mixes. They're really
Yeah.
salty. Mm.
That's what I thought. Mm-hmm. Ooh, they're good.
Really good.
They're so good.
All right. I see an umaibo, and I want to check that one out. So umaibo, if you guys remember back in the old Freedom Japanese Market days, I used to review those. They would send a lot of these umaibos. They're little like corn puff sticks.
Oh,
They have
those.
a bunch of different flavors. This is cinnamon apple pie umaibo.
Yay!
Oh my goodness.
I'm not into the sweet ones. I like the savory, but you guys like it.
I like
Here,
savory ones
I keep
too.
giving it to her first.
That's really
Oh my
good.
gosh.
That is really good. Mmm.
It's
Show
really
these
sweet.
like a melon.
It's got a lot of flavor with it.
It is really sweet.
It's very good.
It's good. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm getting it all over me. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
All right. What is this thing?
A cookie. With
Constellation chocolate cookie. Autumn nights are the perfect time for stargazing or snacking out with tasty chocolate cookies. The thick chocolate is the perfect partner for the crispy biscuit base. All right, we're gonna split this 3 ways.
Yay, cookies.
Ooh, this looks yummy. Looks like a water cracker.
It kind of
So
looks
can
like
you
it has
guys
a
see?
Reese's.
It's like a coin. It
Peanut
looks
butter
like a
cup on the bottom.
coin.
Yeah. I'm gonna give
Penny the coin.
Here, it's fine. No, eat it or not.
You're with us, Belle. You're going to taste some.
we share.
Oh, I dropped it.
That kind of tastes like.
The chocolate is so thick. It really is. It's so
That tastes
good.
like the school pizza.
It does not, you weirdo.
Pizza.
Yeah, it does.
All right.
But the really sweet pizza?
Here's some poriki.
What is that?
They're little like rods. German potato. Hearty food is what you need when the weather gets colder. Poriki is a pretzel snack that replicates the flavor of tasty German potato.
Yay!
Oh,
So it's
I
gonna
love
have
German
like a
food.
bacon and onion.
I keep taking
Ooh.
the camera. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, German food is so good.
This is gonna be a hot.
Especially like chicken schnitzel.
Penny just likes food in general.
That's not true. That's not true.
Yeah.
I have
Once
specific.
you
I like
see-
sushi and German food a lot, and Mexican food.
Sushi's bomb.
All right, one for you. One for
Give
you.
me one. Thank you, Mom.
All right.
Tastes like Pocky sticks, but more flavor.
That tastes
It
good.
takes a second to kick in.
It
That's
tastes like
different.
It's so good.
it tastes like a French fry, kind of, a little bit.
Yeah, like loaded fries.
I feel like I need to eat like 18 to know what it tastes like. It's
so good.
addictive, right?
Oh,
When did you
it tastes
find
like
these
those
online?
sticks that you dip in the cheese.
Oh my goodness, yeah, those. But like actually flavored.
All right. All right, moving on to the Pocky.
Pocky!
This is blueberry.
It's
Yay!
got strawberry sticks, I think.
Pocky Heartful Blueberry Fall exclusive. The pink heart-shaped pretzel base is coated in blue, sweet, and sour blueberry chocolate. Blue was chosen to thank the hardworking essential workers. I love this. Is so cute.
Oh my gosh. Yummy, yummy.
I want to use that as my wallet. Why is that? Look, it looks like a wallet.
Yummy,
Like,
yummy.
Look at how pretty.
like you walk in the
And the
store
pink bottom, and it's heart-shaped.
And it really tastes like blueberries.
like.
Oh my goodness. It's so good. It's so good.
Oh, those are good.
I love Pocky.
This is probably the best Pocky I've ever had.
I don't know. Not my favorites.
Really? I love the blue.
I think it tastes good, but
It's like tart.
There's enough if you'd like a second one.
oh yeah, I like them enough.
I have
for
one
that
more to
syrup.
really think about it.
Mhm.
Mm.
It's shaped like a heart.
They remind me of sparklers.
I do. Like. Thank you, Mom.
So you want
Okay.
one more?
Wait, yeah. Okay, guys, put a Snapchat filter on me. Do the dog filter.
You're shaking the thing.
Oh no.
All right, we're almost there. We've done it almost at all. Next up we have this little bag, which is, I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Yakisoba shop taro. Saucy and crunchy noodles in snack form. Yes, please. Japanese noodles are super popular all year round, but Yakisoba shop taro matches the autumn climate perfectly.
Cool.
That's your hand, Belle.
Are they actually noodles? Oh my goodness, they
They're
are.
little noodles.
They are. This is like when I used to eat ramen by itself.
It looks like the when
You mean yesterday?
No, we're out of ramen.
Oh, the ramen salmon. Oh, those are good.
They are.
Here, you guys want the rest?
Yes, please. They taste like stuff you put on
Here,
salads
here.
or something.
Yeah, they would make a really good salad topping.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Look, they're gonna start using our ideas because we're so smart.
Okay. Next up is this thing.
Soda, grape soda, right?
Sour paper candy grape. Chewy, fruity, and addictive, this long Japanese gummy balances sour and sweet to bring you a kick this fruity fall.
Is it actually like edible
It's like
paper?
a sour belt. You know those
Oh
sour
yeah,
belts?
like the Airheads ones.
Oh yum.
Yeah, I love those.
Those are really good. Oh. Ooh. You know, I'm not normally into
Thank you,
grape
Mom.
candies, but this is really good.
Ooh, that's very grapey.
No. What doesn't taste like artificial grape?
All right.
It tastes like grape.
I love this package and it's so cute.
Aww.
All right.
Let me see. Aw, aw.
All right. This is Don Yaki. Now for some autumn festival snackage. Don Yaki are crunchy mini crackers with a saucy flavor that pack a punch. Perfect for a light fall snack.
These are all really good.
This looks like the other part of the shrimp crackers.
Oh my gosh.
Salty. No,
Ooh,
can I have another
They're
drink?
so salty, but
Can I
they're
have
so
another
good.
sip of the drink?
Can I as well?
Please, I'm thirsty.
Yay!
Thank you, Mom. Hey, hey, let go.
Those are good. I like savory snacks, I'll be honest. All right. What's
This
left?
one.
Oh my
This looks
gosh,
like a
what is that?
DIY kit. And if it is, we're not going to be doing that on camera. Yeah, this is a strawberry ice cream DIY kit.
Oh, we did one of those before.
If you've ever seen these, it's like you mix like powder with jelly and it makes a little concoction. It's very fun for kids. I don't want to do it on camera because it's messy.
Yeah, we used to do that.
Prefer to do that in the kitchen.
And she made us do it outside.
All right, is this the last item?
I think so.
Bum, bum, bum. Our last item.
Wait, no. There's one more that fell over.
Oh my. This is Umaibo Choco. Crispy and chocolatey, Umaibo is bringing an extra light and fluffy crunchy, combining the classic Umaibo corn snack goodness with sweet milk chocolate.
Oh, look at those.
Ooh, it's got chocolate on it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay, we're gonna have to, here, you get that one.
Yay.
I get that one. You get that one.
Thank
It's
you.
split for
Yeah,
us.
get the big piece.
Yeah, you got. Oh, my bow just likes you.
Ooh.
That's super good.
Alright.
Every time.
Last item.
It's like a,
Those.
you
Alright.
know those baby puffs, the foods? It's like that with chocolate on it.
By the way, if you
Good.
subscribe to longer, like a 12-month subscription, it goes down to like almost $30. It's like $31 a box. So it does pay to prepay. But anyway, it's $35 a box for all this stuff. It's really, really, really good good deal. Anyway, our last item is onion taro. These are salty and savory. You won't be able to stop munching these mouth-watering corn puffs packed with onion soup flavor.
Viv, we're gonna give you some, okay?
You'll get some as soon as we're done, okay?
Yeah, we didn't eat it all, and you guys didn't.
We're almost done, okay? Here.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Here, I'll give you some.
You'll get some when we're
I
done.
want some more.
All right.
They're so good.
So what was your favorite?
Probably these or the corn puffs.
These are really
Or
good.
these. The ketchup chips are really good.
Ooh.
I like the Pocky. What was your favorite?
This, because it didn't give me a headache.
There you go. I hope you guys like this video. I hope my chewing isn't too offensive.
It's ASMR.
I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I'll also link to Tokyo Treat with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Are you guys going to say bye? Or are you just gonna
Yeah, we're saying bye.